A record-breaking tunnel is being built under the Baltic Sea between Denmark and Germany, which will slash travel times and improve Scandinavian's link with the rest of the Europe. Running for that is 18 kilometers, that is 11 miles, the Fehmarn Belt with the world's longest prefabricated road and rail tunnel is also a remarkable feat for the engineering that will see segments of the tunnel placed on the top of the sea floor and then joined together. The project's main construction site is located at the northern entrance into the tunnel on the coast of the Lolland Island in the southeast of Denmark. Also, this facility spans more than 500 hectares, that is 1235 acres, and includes a harbor and a factory that is manufacturing the tunnel sections, which are called the elements. Also, it is a huge facility that the says Henrik Wixenton, who is the chief executive of the Fehmarn, the state-owned Danish company that is building the tunnel. To make each 217-meter long and 42-meter wide element reinforced steel encast with the concrete. Most underwater tunnels, including the 50-kilometer Channel Tunnel between the UK and France, burrow through the bedrock beneath the sea floor. Here instead, 90 individual elements will be linked up pieces by pieces like the Lego bricks. Also, we are breaking record with the project, says Mr. Winkelston. Immersed tunnels have been built before but never on this scale, with a price tag around 7.4 billion. Also, the scheme has mostly been financed by Denmark with 1.3 billion from the European Commission. It also among the region's largest ever infrastructure project and part of the wider EU plan to strengthen travel links across the continent while reducing the flying. Once completed, the journey between the Denmark and the Puttgarten in the northern Germany will just take 10 minutes by car or 7 minutes by train, replacing a 45 minutes ferry voyage. Also, bypassing the western Germany and Denmark, the New York and the rail route that is also halving the travel times between the Copenhagen and the Hamburg for 5 to 2.5 hours and provide the greener shortcut for the freight and the passengers. It's not only linking Denmark to Germany, it's linking the Scandinavia to the Central Europe states, Mr. Winkelston. Everybody is a winner, he claims, and by traveling 160 kilometers less, you'll also cut carbon and reduce the impact of transport. Towered over by the cranes, the tunnel entrances sits at the base of the steep coastal wall with the sparkling sea water also lying over.